the LG 20 years ago, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A51 5G for AT&T PREPAID. So this is AT&T PREPAID's first 5G smartphone. It's available now for $499.99. It's available in 128 GB storage, and the color is Prism Q Black. So if you guys are looking to get a 5G phone on prepaid on AT&T, this is the phone for you to get. It is a very nice phone. Specs on this phone are great. This phone is available in several different carriers like Verizon and Metro T-Mobile as well. So that is nice. So now AT&T prepaid now has this phone as well. So that's nice. So that's the phone in front of you. You do have your earpiece there, whole point 2 front-facing camera, power and gain keys on both sides of the phone. This back of the phone, you guys will have 4 cameras, kind of fast. Samsung with that on the back. On the back, that is the back of it again. 4 cameras, like I said, so pretty nice. And there's the back of it on that, right? Overview. The Samsung Galaxy A51 5G offers an amazing features at a great price. That is definitely true. Take crisp, vibrant, and pretty quality images with the quad camera, 48 megapixel main camera. Get lost in the full entertainment with the 6.5-inch Infinity display, and with the long lasting and fast charging 4500 mAh battery. You will have the power you need to keep doing your favorite things. So this has a big battery, and also has fast charging as well. So that's nice. So let me just see. Maybe we'll remember that. I don't know. I'm not actually going to wait for it. Figures and specs. Is you have a 6.5-inch Infinity display that is Full HD+. You do have 4 cameras in the back at 48, 12, and 2 5-megapixel cameras, a 32 megapixel front-facing camera. You have a 48 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel telephoto, 5 megapixel ultra wide, and a 5 megapixel macro lens, I think it is. Fast, and you also have 5G force octa-core processor, 4500 mAh battery. Your size, on the size of the A51, your dimensions are 6.26 inches height, 2.90 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. The frame is 6.63 ounces. Screen size is, like I said before, it is 6.5 inches Super AMOLED. That is Full HD Plus of 2400 by 1080 pixels. Rear-facing camera, we do have 4 cameras in the back at 48 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel a 5 megapixel macro, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. I thought you had a telephoto lens on that, but apparently you don't. So it's ultra wide, macro, and depth cameras. 4K videos at 30 frames, Full HD at 30 frames, HD at 30 frames. Video playback at 4K, 32 megapixel front-facing camera. Camera features are Pro, Panorama, Macro, Feud, Night, Layer, Focus, Super Slow-Mo, Slow Motion, Hyperlapse video. Alright, so that's good. Your battery is 4500 milliamps, 23 hours of talk time, 14.2 days of standby time. Audio playback, 43 hours on speaker or 86 hours on headset. Fast charge, of course. Time to charge to 50% is 40 minutes. Time to charge to 100 is 100 minutes. The chipset is an Exynos 980 octa-core processor. Memory is 128 gigabytes, 1 terabyte of micro SD, and 6 gigabytes of RAM. You do have Android 10 on board, One UI 2.0, I think. Your 5G, of course, is the main selling point, is its 5G connectivity. Also, you'll have 4G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 12, 14, 20, 29, 30, 38, 39, 40, 41, and 66 bands, alright? You also have regular 4G that is HSPA+, 3G GSM low band, it's a low phone, which is a wideband AC+, Wi-Fi calling, AT&T video call, Wi-Fi connections are 802.11, APGN, ACI, and R, dual band Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth 5.0, mobile hotspot updated devices. Most of the price on by Forte Media, whatever. Takes a SIM card. The apps you get from AT&T, there's a lot of apps from AT&T. You guys get AT&T Car Protect, AT&T Device Help, AT&T Drive Mode, AT&T Messages, Backup and Sync, AT&T Mobile Key, AT&T Mobile Security, AT&T Personal Cloud, AT&T Protect, AT&T Remote Support, AT&T Secure Family, AT&T Save and Transfer. You also get AT&T Smart Wi-Fi, AT&T Thanks, AT&T TV, Bits Reports, and CNN, DC Universal Direct TV, Games with Thriving Counterparts, Golf Class, Great Big Store, HBO Max, IQI Mobile Services Manager, My AT&T, NBA, Purdue TV, the CW Network, Walmart versus Wizarding, World of Harry Potter. You probably will have to install some of those apps, and then you get a lot of Samsung apps, including Adapt Club, Adapt Sound, Android Auto, AR Zone, Bixby Routine, Bixby Vision, Bixby Voice, Bot 10K Store, Blue Light Filter, Daily Device Care, Dual Messenger, Easy Match Finder, Galaxy. You also get Galaxy Friends, Galaxy Store, Galaxy Rebel. You also get Gallery, Global Goals, Internet, Office Mobile, Samsung House, Samsung Keyboard, Samsung Kids, Samsung Note, Samsung Member, Samsung Note, Samsung Pass, Samsung Pay, Secure Folder, Smart Switch, Smart Things, and Smart View from Samsung. And additional apps you get Amazon Shopping, Facebook App Manager, Google Drive, Google Duo, Google Maps, Google Pay, Google Play Movies and TV, Google Play Store, Google Search YouTube, and YouTube Music. Your sensors are SI lambda, ambient light, fingerprint, gyroscope, and proximity. You will have an in-display fingerprint sensor in the same hand, so that's pretty cool. There's your stuff there. And what you guys get in the box is quick start, quick charge cord, the quick charge adapter, Type-C charging cable, and SIM tray ejection pin. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get a 5G phone on AT&T Prepaid, it is finally here. The Samsung Galaxy A51 5G is now here at AT&T Prepaid for $499.99. So if you guys want a 5G phone on the cheap, this is a great phone to look at. Great specs, great design, and everything else. So yeah, this is a win. So this is AT&T Prepaid's first 5G smartphone, the Galaxy A51 5G. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.